NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and the universe is new. More mysterious, more beautiful than humanity's dream.
The James Webb Telescope has recently picked up something strange. Could it be signs of intelligent life? If this discovery is genuine, we might be on the brink of undeniable proof that we are not alone in the universe. Could this finally be the confirmation of alien existence? Let's dive into what exactly the James Webb Telescope has uncovered. The telescope has detected something unusual on Proxima b, an exoplanet that's captured scientists' attention since its discovery in 2016. But what makes Proxima b so special, and why are astronomers focused on it? Here's the rundown. Proxima b is located just 4.4 light-years from Earth, relatively close in cosmic terms. It orbits within the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. The habitable zone is an area where conditions might allow liquid water to exist, one of the essential ingredients for life. Naturally, scientists have been eager to explore whether this planet holds any clues about life beyond Earth. However, there's a catch. Proxima b orbits a red dwarf star, which presents some challenges. Red dwarfs are notorious for violent solar flares, which could strip away a planet's atmosphere and make it uninhabitable. Despite this, researchers have continued their investigation, hopeful that Proxima b might still offer important insights. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope. Its mission is to observe the universe in greater detail than ever before. Unlike the Hubble, this telescope is equipped with powerful infrared instruments capable of detecting faint emissions from distant stars, galaxies, and even exoplanets like Proxima b. Scientists turned its gaze toward Proxima b to gather more information about the planet's atmosphere, surface, and, just maybe, signs of life. Could this be the breakthrough that finally connects us with extraterrestrial life? Let's find out. What's fascinating about this discovery is that, instead of detecting common gases like methane or water vapor, the telescope picked up something entirely unexpected, a faint, steady glow coming from the planet's night side. And no, this wasn't caused by natural phenomena like volcanic eruptions or auroras. This glow was consistent and stable, more like the kind of artificial lighting you'd expect to see from a city at night. This unexpected find has left scientists stunned. Could this be evidence of an advanced civilization? While it's too early to jump to conclusions, the possibility that these lights might be linked to intelligent life is hard to ignore. Artificial lights are one of the few indicators we associate with developed civilizations, just like how Earth looks when viewed from space. If Proxima b truly has something similar going on, we might have just stumbled upon the first real hint that we're not alone in the universe. So, what are the scientific theories behind this discovery? The idea that these lights could be artificial is nothing short of groundbreaking. If they are indeed the product of advanced technology, it could mean that a highly developed civilization either exists or once existed on this nearby exoplanet. And if that's true, this would be the first direct evidence of extraterrestrial technology, a monumental discovery. This isn't just about finding bacteria or simple life forms. We could be talking about intelligent beings capable of shaping their environment and possibly building city-like structures. However, while this is all incredibly exciting, it also raises many questions. If these lights do belong to a civilization, how advanced are they? Are we looking at a society similar to ours, with its own technological progress and challenges, or could this be something far more evolved? The data from the James Webb Telescope shows that these lights cover a large portion of the planet, suggesting either one massive city or several smaller settlements spread across the surface. Either way, this points to an organized society, something far beyond just a few random lights here and there. And then there's the big question. How are these lights being powered? Are they using something similar to our electricity, perhaps generated from natural resources like coal, solar, or wind? Or, and this is where it gets even more intriguing, have they developed some advanced energy source we can't even begin to imagine yet? Proxima b orbits a red dwarf star, which is much cooler and dimmer than our Sun. This could mean the inhabitants had to get creative with their energy production. possibly finding new ways to harness energy. Their methods could even offer us insights into solving our own energy challenges on Earth. But what if these lights are simply the remnants of a once thriving civilization? Imagine, what if this society was advanced but is now in decline? What could have caused their downfall? Internal conflict, environmental issues, or perhaps some kind of cosmic catastrophe? On the other hand, what if this civilization is still very much alive and flourishing? That raises the possibility of actual contact between us and them. But should we even attempt to make contact? History has shown that when two civilizations meet, the outcome is unpredictable. Encounters between human societies often resulted in either cooperation or conflict. So if we do decide to reach out to this alien civilization, how should we approach it? With caution? Or should we be bold? The ethical and practical questions are endless and a bit unsettling. There's also the challenge this discovery presents to our current understanding of where life can exist. For a long time, scientists believed that planets orbiting red dwarf stars weren't conducive to life. These stars frequently release intense solar flares, which could easily strip away an atmosphere and leave a planet barren. Yet here we are, potentially finding not just life, but intelligent life thriving in such conditions. If true, this would completely transform how we think about where life could exist in the universe. Red dwarfs are actually the most common type of star in our galaxy. If life can thrive on Proxima b, it opens up the possibility that many other planets around red dwarfs could also support life. Suddenly, the universe feels a lot more populated. Even places we once thought were unlikely to host life may need to be reconsidered. So, what happens next? How does this discovery change the future of space exploration? This finding could be a major turning point for space exploration. Since Proxima b is relatively close to Earth in astronomical terms, only 4.24 light-years away, it becomes an ideal target for future missions. Sure, that distance is still massive by human standards, but in the grand scale of the universe, it's practically next door. For years, there's been talk about sending probes or even crewed missions to nearby star systems. And now, with the potential of city lights on Proxima b, those plans could gain serious momentum. Scientists may start working on advanced propulsion technologies that could allow us to study Proxima b and its possible inhabitants up close. What once seemed like science fiction might not be so far-fetched anymore. The discovery of potential artificial lights makes Proxima b an even more intriguing candidate for future exploration. The goal would be to gather more data, closely examine the planet, and maybe even confirm whether we are dealing with an intelligent civilization. This isn't our first attempt at finding extraterrestrial life. We already have SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, which traditionally focuses on detecting radio signals or other forms of communication from distant civilizations. But with this new discovery, we might need to rethink our approach. Instead of listening for signals, we could focus on looking for other signs of advanced technology, like artificial lights. Imagine what this could mean. There could be more planets like Proxima b out there, where artificial lighting or large structures hint at intelligent life. This discovery could mark the start of a whole new chapter in the search for extraterrestrial civilizations. It's not just scientists who are buzzing with excitement. This discovery has captured the public's imagination in a way few space events have in recent years. The idea that an alien civilization might be close enough for us to see the lights of their cities is both thrilling and awe-inspiring. People everywhere are captivated by this breakthrough. They're following every update from the James Webb Telescope, eagerly awaiting the next discovery. And honestly, who can blame them? But beyond the science and public fascination, there's something even bigger to consider. The potential discovery of an intelligent civilization forces us to rethink our place in the universe. For so long, we've viewed ourselves as the dominant species, the peak of evolution. But if intelligent life really exists on Proxima b, we are not alone. This realization could change how we view ourselves, our responsibilities to our planet, and the technology we create. It's a lot to digest, but it might push humanity in exciting new directions. Of course, this discovery also raises concerns. How should we prepare if an alien civilization is living just a few light years away? The possibility of an advanced society on Proxima b comes with many questions. If these lights are indeed artificial, then we're looking at a civilization that has achieved remarkable technological advancements. But what can we learn from them? Could they teach us how to build a sustainable, advanced society? Or, on the flip side, could they serve as a warning about the dangers of unchecked technological progress? There's also the unsettling thought: would they see us as a threat? Just as we might approach them with caution, they could view Earth with the same suspicion. The idea of making contact with an alien civilization raises difficult questions about our future, our place in the cosmos, and how we handle the responsibilities that come with advancing technology. It also prompts us to reflect on the kind of civilization we are and the one we aim to become as we venture further into the universe. One thing is certain: if these lights are real, they could spark major international cooperation. Studying a planet that's light years away isn't something any one country can tackle alone. It will require the kind of global teamwork we've seen with efforts like the International Space Station. Countries would need to come together, pool their resources, and share knowledge to achieve the common goal of exploring Proxima b and potentially making contact. This discovery could inspire a new era of collaboration in space exploration. Now, if there truly is a civilization on Proxima b, one of the first questions we'd likely ask is how they've managed to survive in such a harsh environment. Remember, Proxima b orbits a red dwarf star, Proxima Centauri, which is infamous for its intense stellar flares. These flares can bombard the planet with harmful radiation, making it hard to imagine how life could thrive there. But if these lights are anything to go by, it suggests that the inhabitants of Proxima b have found a way to protect themselves. Perhaps they've developed advanced technology to regulate their atmosphere or shield their cities from radiation. They might have even adapted biologically or technologically to live in such extreme conditions, giving us a completely new perspective on how life can evolve in ways we never thought possible. And let's not forget about the lights themselves. What if the technology powering them is far beyond anything we currently understand? We could be talking about energy sources we've only dreamed of, antimatter reactors, zero-point energy, or harnessing their star's energy in ways we can't yet imagine. The intensity and distribution of these lights could provide valuable insights into the technological level of this civilization. If they've harnessed energy sources far beyond what we currently understand, it could completely reshape our view of what's possible for our own future. There's also a fascinating cultural aspect to consider. How the lights are spread across the planet might offer a glimpse into their society's structure. Are the lights evenly distributed? That could suggest a highly connected global society. But if the lights are concentrated in certain areas, it could indicate the presence of city-states, nations, or even factions. These patterns could reveal a lot about how this alien civilization is organized, from their urban planning to their technological priorities. Understanding their society would be crucial if we ever make contact. Are they peaceful explorers, eager to share their knowledge and culture? Or are they more isolated, preferring to stay hidden from the rest of the universe? The presence of these lights hints at a civilization advanced enough to possibly engage in interstellar travel. If that's the case, they may have already explored other planets and star systems beyond Proxima Centauri. Another intriguing point is the timing of this discovery. Since Proxima b is just 4.24 light-years away, the light we're seeing now left the planet only about 4 years ago, almost real-time on a cosmic scale. This opens up the possibility that any civilization on Proxima b could be at a similar technological stage as we are right now. They might be facing the same societal challenges or working on similar advancements, just in an alien world. Alternatively, they could be a much older civilization that's already reached its technological peak or even declined, with the lights being the final traces of a once great society. The close proximity of Proxima b means that while communication would still be challenging, it wouldn't take nearly as long as one might think. With a light-year delay of just over 4 years, it's almost instantaneous compared to the centuries or millennia it would take to communicate with civilizations in more distant parts of the galaxy. If we ever managed to establish contact, it could mark the beginning of something truly transformative, not just for humanity, but for our entire understanding of life in the universe. So how likely is it that we could make contact with this new species? The potential for making contact with an alien civilization on Proxima b is staggering. If we send out a signal, we could receive a reply in just 9 years. For the first time, humanity could engage in a real-time conversation with another intelligent species. Of course, there are logistical hurdles to overcome, like what language we would use and how we could ensure mutual understanding. But the relatively short communication delay makes it more feasible than ever. Then there's the question of their technology. We've already detected what appear to be city lights, but what other types of signals or technologies might exist on Proxima b that we haven't discovered yet? This could only be the beginning. Perhaps they have enormous engineering projects that produce gravitational waves or some other phenomenon we've yet to detect. Each new discovery could deepen our understanding of their capabilities, and who knows, it might even provide a blueprint for our own technological future. Another crucial question is, who or what lives on Proxima b? If this civilization is advanced enough to create artificial lighting, it's reasonable to assume they are intelligent beings. But their biology? That's likely to be completely different from anything we've encountered before. Proxima b orbits a red dwarf star, meaning its environment is quite extreme. The inhabitants may have evolved unique biological adaptations to survive in such volatile conditions. Or perhaps they've integrated biology with technology, becoming a post-biological society where machines and organic life have merged into a new kind of species. This also raises an interesting discussion about intelligence. For centuries, we've defined intelligence based on human experience, but what if life forms on Proxima b have developed intelligence in ways we've never imagined? Perhaps they function with a hive-like consciousness, or possess a form of collective intelligence that operates on principles beyond our current understanding. This could redefine what we consider intelligence and even revolutionize how we approach AI and machine learning here on Earth. And if we think even bigger, imagine the possibilities of cultural exchange. If we manage to establish contact, the chance to share knowledge, ideas, and innovations with an entirely different species is mind-blowing. We could gain insights into new forms of governance, philosophy, art, and science, ideas that have evolved under completely different conditions. Such collaboration could ignite a renaissance of creativity and innovation for both civilizations. So, what's your take on this discovery? Should we attempt to make contact with this extraterrestrial life or not? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to hear more unbelievable stories, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we've got plenty more on the way. Thanks for watching and see you next time.